Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I will give you top 5 reasons for you to start your YouTube channel now. So if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell so you're updated with my new uploads just like this. Hey, what's up guys? It's Chris. So, I have a question for you. Have you ever wondered what it feels like to become a famous vlogger? Or imagine having your own time and your own space and enjoying what life has to offer. I actually imagined that way too. That's why I created my own YouTube channel. So in this video, I will encourage you to make your own YouTube channel now. Start your YouTube channel now because number 1, you want to. You don't need a fancy equipment to start your channel. All you need is you. As of this moment, I'm using my cell phone to record this kind of content. Remember, if you really want to do something, you'll find a way. But if you don't, you'll find an excuse. Number 2, you have something to share. You can share unboxing moments, product reviews, places you've been to, your personal experience, and you can share your ideas. Go out of your comfort zone and start recording. Remember, you have more to gain than to lose by sharing your ideas to others. Number 3, boost your confidence. Talking here in front of you right now is quite challenging. It takes a lot of patience, self-confidence, trust, hard work, time to create a content like this. You just have to challenge yourself that you can do it. Do not limit yourself. Many people limit themselves to what they think they can do. You can go as far as your mind lets you. What you believe, remember, you can achieve. Number 4, unlimited opportunities. Get discovered. Opportunity will not only knock on the door when you are ready. It will stand just next to the door to open it. According to brandwatch.com, YouTube is the world's largest search engine and second most visited site after Google. So, imagine creating content and uploading it here on YouTube. One day you wake up and found out that your video went on viral thanks to YouTube. Number 5, my favorite. You can make some cash flow. So, you can earn money just by uploading videos. According to YouTube Partner Program requirements, you need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to be eligible to monetize your account through their program. As you already know, the amount of money you can make on YouTube varies due to the nature of ads and what kind of viewers you have. You have to love doing videos. Enjoy every seconds of filming it. Take small steps every day, then eventually. So just like what I'm doing right now, although I still have some script right over there, or just have to start filming, start uploading, and start believing in yourself that you can do it. Because it's so nice to do something new this 2021, and I just love watching myself and hearing my voice. I mean, it's up to you. Bagga na lang jud kog naong ron. kay wala ra. Kinahanglan bagag naong kay aron makakita tag kwarta. So again, these are the top 5 reasons for you to start your own YouTube channel now. Number 1, you want to. Number 2, you have something to share. Number 3, boost your confidence. Number 4, unlimited opportunities. And then number 5, you can make some cash flow. So if you like this kind of video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell so you're updated with my new uploads. Don't forget to leave a comment if you do have any questions with regards to my video. And again, start filming. Bye-bye!